so sit back, relax, and have fun.
Ini sih kamu yang salah.
Applause for all the animals that they've met so far. Alright. So you might agree with me when I say animals are truly amazing creatures, right? Yeah. When I say man's best friend, what's the first animal that comes to your mind?
No.
That's right. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together, welcome Benji. Alright guys, this is Benji, our 9-year-old golden retriever. Well, just like other dogs, Benji here has many special abilities and very sharp keen senses. So speaking of senses, what is the most important sense to a dog? Anybody? Sense of? Smell, that's right. Dogs live in a world full of odors. They can find out missing people, drugs, bombs, and even the presence of melanoma cancer, which you all think is amazing. But we're gonna prove that fact with a little game we call hide and seek. But we're not gonna test it on Benji because Benji says his twin brother's sense of smell is a little bit stronger. So we're gonna test his brother's one. So everybody let's stand on Benji's word. So bye Benji. And let's welcome Benji's twin brother. This is Buddy. Alright. Okay buddy, I need to tell you something. Your brother here just went back. He said that your sense of smell is stronger. But before we can test the sense of smell, we need to play hide and seek and we need something to hide. You know the best person to ask? Don't look at me, is the trainer. So Ellie, you have something for us to hide? You don't have? Then how are we going to play? Hello? Oh, okay. Buddy went back to take something and he's back with it. And what it is? A baseball. Great job, buddy. So now we have Buddy's favorite baseball. This is what's going to happen. We're going to hide this baseball in one of 4 hiding spots, alright? One of them is the red fire hydrant, through the big bird house, through the red mailbox, and last but not least, the green toolbox. So when we hide this ball, Buddy will be guided by his trainer to sniff out all 4 hiding spots. And when he has done that, he will come back to the center, and then we'll send him off to go look for his tennis ball. So how we know that Buddy found his tennis ball? He will position himself in front of the hiding spot that he thinks the ball is in, alright? So guys, quick question, can we hide this ball if Buddy's still here? Can, how?
Hide it over.
We're gonna test the sense of smell, not the eyesight. So Buddy has to go back first, alright? See you later, Buddy. Alright guys, you're gonna decide where we're gonna hide this ball. So at the count of 3, all I need you to do is to point to a hiding spot that you want to choose from, alright? So let's start at count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's start it again. I'll give you all about 2 seconds to think about where you want to hide, alright? So, alright, are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Alright, okay, this side of the crowd, you say you want to hide the ball there. Alright? And this side of the crowd, where you're pointing again. Wait, that one, or this one? That one. Alright, so it looks like we have a split decision, alright? So, this side of the crowd, let's have a little friendly competition. So, this team is Team B and this team is Team A, alright? Let's see who's the loudest. Team B, make some noise, you want to make that hide the ball there? Alright, okay, Team A, make some noise, you want to hide the ball there? Who's using props, huh? Alright, so I think think we know who's the winner. Team A! Great job, guys! Alright, now we have hit the baseball. Let's see if Buddy can find himself a baseball. Buddy, when we are ready. Alright. Alright guys, before we send our superstar to go look for his tennis ball, his baseball, he needs some encouragement. So how are we going to help him? We're going to shout, "Go Buddy," as loud as we can. Can we do it?
Yeah.
Guys, we just only finished lunch. You still haven't eaten, see?
Haven't yet.
Alright, okay, fine. After the show, y'all can go head down to KFC. And then you say Buddy's name, you all get a discount, alright? Just kidding, huh? Alright, so, are you guys ready?
Ready?
Alright, so let's start in 1, 2, 3. Go!
Buddy!
Okay, we try to get go, Buddy! Oh, he has a feedback for everyone, okay? Oh, no wonder his brother will agree with him. Alright, guys, Buddy has a feedback on how we did. He cannot hear any of us. So, but Buddy did mention something that we can do even better. So let's do that again all together now. 1, 2, 3, go! Buddy!
You want to find something about guys?
Alright, all high score have been snipped out. Moment of truth. Can Buddy find his baseball? Would you look at that, guys? Buddy found his baseball. Good job, boy. So job well done. Buddy gets a handful of the delicious treats. And he gets to play with his favorite baseball. Alright, after eating a handful of his favorite treats, alright, buddy, go get it. Come on. And how about a huge round of applause for Buddy, everybody? Alright, okay guys, before I bring out my next superstars to come out, before that, a little humble request from everybody is to stay clear of the railings you see in front of you, because our next superstars will be coming alongside those railings to show what they can do. And as tempting and curious enough as it can be to go approach them or even pet them, please refrain from doing so, because our next few superstars are very shy. Alright, so let me tell you more about this, a little history around this next coming superstar. Back in ancient Egypt, this particular animal was worshipped as their goddess, their protector, and they are known to be ferocious hunters. But now, in modern times, they are known to be our household pets. Does anybody know what animal is that? Cats, that's right. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Welcome Angel and her brother, Midnight. There's Midnight. And there's Angel coming down the ramp. Alright guys, Angel and Midnight are both short-haired domestic cats going strong at 13 years old. And both have many special abilities and very sharp, keen senses like that. But let me explain more about their other senses later on, but we're going to focus on one of their senses right now, that is the sense of touch. Cats use their whiskers, just like antennas, to maneuver in and out of tight spaces, just like those hoops right in front of you. Great job, Midnight, and great job, Angel. But guys, cats are also known to be very flexible creatures, which enable them to squeeze through even the smallest spaces, just like a half smaller hoop. Great job, Midnight, and Angel, great job. Well, clearly only our sound man is impressed, but not everyone else. But fear not, Angel and Midnight have a secret weapon, which is an even tinier blue. Alright, who's up first? Alright, Midnight. Alright, let's try with Angel first. Great job, Angel. How about you, Midnight? And how about a huge round of applause for Angel and Midnight, everybody. Great job, guys. Great job. But guys, cats, I did mention that cats have very sharp, keen senses. We just witnessed their sense of touch, but their sense of eyesight is so powerful, they can see in near darkness. And their sense of hearing is 14 times stronger than us human beings. And a little backstory about Angel and Midnight. For both of them, alongside with their other siblings, were actually found right outside Singapore Zoo inside a storm drain. So one of our zoo staff heard their cries for help, went up there, rescued them, and of course, adopted them to our loving family. Alright guys, quick question. Does anybody here know what to do when you see a cat that you're familiar with?
Right.
Where you?
Can I guess? Hi. So for cats who really love affection, what you can do is to pet them, carry them, and when they feel comfortable, they will actually start purring. This purring is said to be so relaxing that it can help you lower down your blood pressure. Alright, now let's further demonstrate and switch things up a little bit. So for our next animal friend, he loves to perform, he loves the attention, but he lacks a little bit of self-confidence. So this is where all of you guys can come in. If you feel like he needs the extra encouragement, you cheer for him, alright? Okay, now let's set up the props. Okay, very interesting. So over here, as you can see, we are using some items such as bamboo poles and flower pots. And these items are actually upcycled. So what you are actually seeing over here is that we are setting an obstacle course. And apart from this being an obstacle course, it is also considered enrichment. So many of you might wonder, what exactly is enrichment, right? So parents, I believe that some of you do bring your children for enrichment classes. So it's something similar yet different. Enrichment for animals helps to build their behaviors because it allows them to be in their natural behaviors, stimulating them physically and mentally. Okay, the last one. Thank you very much. Now, everything is set. Ladies and gentlemen, now we will show you how we go by training and giving enrichment to our animals here in Mandai. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Gentle George. Hi, George. So, George over here is our 9-year-old Japanese Spitz. As you can see, he's a little shy, a little cautious. So really later, she'll be actually getting him to offer some simple behaviors in which he'll get reinforced for. This will actually help to build behavior momentum, and whenever Willie feels like George is ready, they will try and navigate through this obstacle course. Alright George, are you ready? Okay, seems like he's ready. The stage is yours, George. Good boy, George! Well done! Okay, now, we'll be further complicating the obstacle course for a reason. And this is because George has a twin sister. And this girl has a whole different personality. So, while I wait for my friends to complicate the obstacle course, come, share with me. How many of you here have pets at home? Anyone have pets? Okay, what pets do you all have? Shout it out. Dogs. Hamsters. Cats. Wow, okay. And how many of you can relate to this? When you go to a pet store, some of the toys that you see are a little too expensive, so you don't want to buy the toys. Can anyone relate? Yes, right. It's a little too expensive, right? So what you can actually do at home is to find items you do not need anymore. So you can recycle such items, be a little creative, and come up with such enrichment for your pets, alright? So it's something like what we are doing over here, because we do not have any use for these hula hoops, bamboo poles, and flower pots. This is why we decided to actually make use of these items and come up with such an enrichment for our animals. Okay, seems like everything is set. Wow, it's a whole different obstacle course compared to George, right? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I advise you to not blink because this is Katie. Alright, Katie girl, the stage is yours. Seems like she has picked up a set on the floor. This shows that how their sense of smell is so powerful. Alright, Kitty, all the way, all the way! And some hand moves! Ladies and gentlemen, Kitty! Good job, Kitty girl. Well done! Hey girl. So, what we're trying to show you from this very two simple segments is that no two animals are the same. George and Katie, identical twins, but with very different personalities. This is why us as animal trainers and caregivers, we need to understand each individual animal and to shape their behavior to ultimately help them to succeed. Alright, as we draw to a close, I would like to leave you with one important message. On the note that you're gonna meet, the Singapore Zoo have adopted them. And for the cats, they have been rescued from the streets of Singapore. They were wild stray cats. So, the message of Animal Friends is really simple. If you like to get a pet, adopt, don't shop. You may not be able to change the world just by adopting one animal. But for that one animal, their whole world is changed forever. So on that note, let's bring back our canine superstars who'd like to say goodbye, starting with our first set of twins, Golden Retrievers, Buddy and Benji. Alright, quick question. Can you remember which is Buddy? Who thinks it's this one? Who thinks this is Buddy? Alright, and who thinks this is Buddy? Okay, really? So, can you tell us which is Buddy? Alright, so you chose this one, that is Buddy. Okay, now, we will welcome their best friends, our second set of twins. They are Katie, as well as George. So, all four of them were illegally smuggled from Malaysia into Singapore when they were puppies. The authorities rescued them, and Singapore Zoo decided to adopt them. Alright, thank you so much for joining us today. Before you go, come on down and say hi to our canine superstars. But one request, please be very gentle with them, alright? Okay, have a nice day. Take care and bye-bye!
Bye bye.